Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a John Deere lawn mower. First, always perform a quick pre-operation check. Verify your fuel level, engine oil, and tire pressure, which should be around 14 psi for the front tires. Next, ensure the parking brake is firmly engaged and the power takeoff or tow is disengaged. Then, insert the key, turn it to the on position, and then to start to crank the engine. Let it warm up for about 30 seconds. Once the engine is warm, release the parking brake. Select your desired ground speed using the speed control lever, typically ranging from 1 to 5 miles per hour. Now, engage the PTO switch to activate the mower blades. Drive in straight, overlapping lines for a uniform cut. Remember to adjust your cutting height with the deck lever, usually offering settings from 1 to 4 inches to suit your lawn's needs. Safety is paramount when operating any machinery. Always wear sturdy shoes, eye protection, and hearing protection. Ensure children and pets are kept indoors and well away from the mowing area. Avoid mowing on excessively steep slopes or wet grass, as this can cause loss of traction or control. If you need to dismount or clear debris, always disengage the PTO and set the parking brake first. To shut down your John Deere mower, first disengage the PTO. Then, reduce the engine speed to idle for a few moments. Engage the parking brake firmly. Finally, turn the ignition key to the off position to shut down the engine. After each use, it's a good practice to clean the mower deck to prevent grass buildup. Store your mower in a dry, secure place, protecting it from the elements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.